This is the second device of Lava Blaze series, Lava Blaze Pro. First of all, we have got a magnifying glass and a love letter from Lava. I think magnifying glass has been given to read this letter because it is written in very small letters. At the bottom of the drawer, we have got the main device. Clearly mentioned on the box, free service at home, free 100 days screen replacement and demo at home. I really like these three services of Lava. Okay, let's open the box. First of all, you get transparent case, main device and USB A to C cable and a 10-watt adapter. The Lava Blaze Pro comes with 4 different colors: glass blue, glass gold, glass green and glass orange. And this is the glass green color. The phone comes with glass back and unique camera design with plastic frames, but it looks different. It's great work in this price segment. At the bottom we have got speaker grill, Type-C port, microphone and headphone jack. On the right side, volume rockers and power button with side mounted fingerprint scanner. It's faster than Lava Blaze. And on the left you get SIM card slot. Phone has 5000 mAh long battery with 10-watt adapter in the box. Lava Blaze Pro has 6.5 inches HD plus IPS display with 90Hz refresh rate, 8 megapixel selfie camera, and you can see colors and viewing angles are good. The phone runs on MediaTek G37 octa-core processor, 4 plus 3GB virtual LPDDR4X RAM and 64GB eMMC storage with up to 256GB microSD card support. We have no other options for RAM and ROM. The device runs on latest Android 12. And finally move to the camera part. The Lava Blaze Pro has 50 megapixel main camera with 6x zoom, that's cool, and 2 megapixel macro camera, and third is VGA camera. Overall, this is a good device with premium and unique design under 10K price segment, and really I like this design at this price segment. Thanks for watching.